Good afternoon. We're out in the fig greenhouse again. And today, we're going to take a look at this tree here. It's green Michurinska. And we're going to walk around it before we really get into the meat of what there is to discover about this tree. But you'll notice that it has figs or double bumps everywhere you look. And now, remember, we're in zone 7A, Southern Illinois. This is an unheated greenhouse. I only covered these things up with my 2-inch styrofoam box. So let me show you what the green Michurinska has revealed. And you can see it better here today than you might later on in the season. So as you can see, you have a horizontal branch, your main espalier, and it already has aged wood vertically coming off that shaft from last season. And we pruned it back here in the fall, put the box on. The tips that was left started, and they have figs that, look like they're in their 30 days. Got nice growth. That's where your figs are at, nice and big and early. And just for the record, this greenhouse is orientated, and the rows are orientated north-south. We're sitting on the west side of the tree right now. This is the south end of the tree. But let me show you what's more interesting. When you come on over here, come to the north end of the tree, and you'll notice that the vertical branches on this branch are new. They don't have any old wood on them. They're not up to here brown and then turning green. They're green from here. Now, you'll notice that there's little figlets on there. Let's see how small they are compared to the ones we was looking at earlier. That's why those are 30 days further ahead than these, because it had to grow these before it fruited. Those others, they already had that much growth, so as soon as they come out, they went right to fruiting. Where these, they went ahead and growed and growed and growed until they got to that height, and then they fruited. But your fruiting branches is always going to be a vertical coming off a horizontal on these. And that's how you get earlier fruit, by leaving some vertical wood off of your horizontal shaft on these. You got to. And you will get earlier fruit. So, you got to be patient with your tree as well. This wood is last year's wood from dieback. So basically you could say this is the tree's second year of growth now from dieback. And every branch on here, you can see this tree ain't been pruned. There's little figlets in there. See them? Double bump city. That one there don't, but that one does. That one does. So this thing will have a nice long, probably a good 6 or 7 week crop because of that. But next year you will not have this issue, because I'll be leaving some vertical wood for it to fruit off of earlier. and you'll see that the green Michurinska will have an even amount of large fruit all over it as this tree develops and ages. So there's the secret to getting earlier figs. You just need some aged vertical wood that it can fruit right off of. Thanks for stopping. Step on a brick out there and break his fucking foot and then lose your money.
Look at those figs.